bill. Drop of the bill. Drop of the bill, come on. And squeeze the bill as tight as you can. Now, press your hand with this. Using your right hand. Using your right hand. Turn sa magic dust and say, mabubuo. Mabubuo. Lumalakas. Mabubuo.
Mabubuo, mabubuo.
Mabubuo. Isa pa, mabubuo.
Mabubuo.
Yung malakas.
Mabubuo.
Let's give a big round of applause for Paul, everybody.
Wow, congratulations, buddy. The bill's now restored. You can now open your hand. That's it for the magic show, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Salamat po lang marami. Thank you very much to all our friends here. Mga Dilisan's Place Residences. Thank you po sa pag-invite sa amin. Di una yun din, sigurado. Pag-iba ko sa kanila, baon na yan! Congratulations, maraming sa bukalas. Sa kalahati na ito. Anyari? Wala? Sige, ganito na lang ha. Isa pa. Isip lang ako. Kaya. Ay! Guys, sorry, it's my bad. Actually, I've been doing this magic. This is one of my most favorite magic. So, I always use this on my magic app. And I've been doing this for